Pero no hay problema. Sí. Okay.
Taking a class
Entonces,
doesn't only happen in school.
continuando acá con las estadísticas,
At KUSA Resource Center in Denver,
con las tasas que nosotros tenemos aquí.
some of the classes in both Spanish and English help coach people on how to start their own business.
Teaching them the concept is really important because we provide it in a culturally relevant way.
CEO Angeles Ortega says a majority of the people they help are Latino,
Si me puedes regresar la llamada.
but there's often a barrier.
And when we tell them that the challenges that they have or the restrictions they are because of the lack of proof of residency, there's nothing we can do. It's really sad.
But a state law that went into effect this month says municipalities like Denver no longer have to verify legal immigration status of someone trying to get a business or occupations license. The city and county of Denver specifically said they'll drop that requirement.
But it definitely is a step in the right direction for our community.
But she says not without some skepticism.
However, there's still many other permits and many other challenges that people have to face. And if those were in the same wave as maybe this law, it would be great.
In Colorado, 11.1% of small businesses are Hispanic owned, according to the Small Business Administration.
So with this, we will be able to give them a little bit more hope.
Ortega believes this new law could help bump that number up.
When people are informed, when people can make decisions for themselves about their own lives is when they're going to succeed.
So I also sat down with the CEO of Claro today, big Latino advocacy organization in town. He says he believes it'll actually take a bit of time for the number of Latino or Hispanic-owned businesses to grow from this. And Kim, in Denver's case specifically, generally speaking, they only require a business license for the ones that have health and safety concerns, like a restaurant, food truck, liquor store, and a few others and so on.
But this is just the beginning of this kind of relationship and trust and keep moving.
Right. CEO of Claro said trust is that other barrier that needs to be broken. That's why he says it's going to take some time. We'll have to see how the numbers look down the line because the census does cover and track the amount of small businesses that are also owned by Hispanic people here.
That's good. All right. Thank you, Luis.